And we're testing the broadcast live from YouTube, and they have a few things that aren't seeming to work exactly as you would expect, like when it tells you that you're streaming. It's not exactly accurate, and various other little small errors as you go along. And it's trying to make a smaller output size today for the video, and it wouldn't allow you to do that. They have certain set size, so I had to stay with that size, which at the moment is 4 by 240, although the camera is inputting a little different size, so there's a little bit of distortion horizontally on the final video. So it's expanding horizontally, so it's making me wider than I normally am. And let's see here, what else did I try to change today? Oh, I tried to use ManyCam, and for some reason I couldn't get the ManyCam program to output into the Adobe Media Encoder, which is the first time I've had that problem. They do have a new version of the ManyCam which I'm using, and that might be the problem, so I might have to go back to the older version perhaps, or maybe just start all over again. Maybe there's some glitch as I tried to put it in there. So anyway, because using the ManyCam I could use different cameras and some more flexibility on the live broadcast. Alright, so far it looks like it says the stream status is good and the health is good, and I don't know if we advertise this anywhere, so we may not have anybody coming in to say hello, although generally we have the Ian Bennett from London follows and catches when I'm online, and perhaps he will show up, although it's about 10 o'clock in London, 10 o'clock in the evening, and it's 5 o'clock here in LaBelle, Florida, in Southwest Florida, as we continue to test on Google's YouTube live event capability. And I haven't yet figured out if there's only certain people that can do this, or they're planning on having most everybody be able to do it. I'm not sure at this point. And theoretically, I haven't checked, but all the live channels from around the world, live broadcast, would show up on youtube.com/live, and they have half a dozen categories, so you can leap through the different categories and see who's live. Although I did notice that many of the ones that show live are in fact not live. They were something recorded some time ago, and I'm not sure if that's because now that I think about it, maybe there was no show in that category being broadcast at that time, so they just have ones that had broadcast in the past. Oh yeah, so I could test that. So I could find a category that's not showing any live ones and broadcast in that category and see if it shows up. In fact, let me go over to there just to check that out of curiosity. So you just go to youtube.com/live, and we'll see what categories they have here. And the sun's going down here in Florida. Should be down in Another 15 minutes or so. And so it'll be getting dark in here. Okay, so featured live events. They have something from the Monterey Bay Aquarium. They have Santa's reindeer and their schnauzer. Well, no, those aren't live either. Yeah, it says 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago, and 3 months ago. Huh. Okay, and then they have some recommended for you. And even those are, well, there's one that looks like it started an hour ago, and one started 3 weeks ago. Okay, let me see if there's another category that it's not showing anything live. Well, actually, well, wait a minute. Let me think here. Yeah, they've got live film and animation, and there's nothing apparently showing up live in that category. Oh, here's live nonprofits and activism. Nothing live showing up there. And there's Ian. Hello, Ian. And I'm sending a message to Ian. I'm just wondering if he would not know that. Yeah, I guess he would know that. But let me see if he's left a message down here. Yeah, I don't see anything on the comments. So we'll wait and see if Ian gets to the page where he can, I guess it'd be the YouTube page where he can leave the comments. Okay, and then back to the live page. Let's see here. And I'm not even sure. Let me, if I send Ian the link, let me see if it's the same link. Yeah, I'm just curious if that's actually the same link that he would go to. Okay, now let's see here. And then they've got live travel and events, and there doesn't seem to be anything live on that one because they're several weeks ago. Alright, so that will be my next test, is I'll find a category like travel and events and broadcast live on that channel, and then see if my video shows up. Let me see. I think I'm on what category am I on right now? Oh, I'm on how to and style, I think. But nothing is showing up. Or I'm not. Well, let me see. Let me go through some of them and see. Yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see me in that how to and style category at the moment. Let me refresh the page just see if that makes it show up. Okay, now Ian, did that turn out to be the same link that you would normally go to? I'm kind of doubting it is now that I look at it, because it says analytics. Okay, no link. You don't have permission. Okay. So give me the can see me. Yeah, I guess it's probably just the regular my YouTube channel. I'm not even sure how that works. Yeah, so I'm curious to see what the actual link is that I'm on. Okay, well, let's see. Ian made a comment somewhere. Yeah, he's made a comment on this. Okay, so let me go back to that page and see if I can see the comment. Yeah, the comment doesn't show up here. Let me refresh this page, because I've noted that before on the page that I have to monitor. It's supposed to show the comments, but it doesn't seem to update them. Okay, let me see if it will update it now. Live up there, in there, and I'm not sure what other category I might have put that in. Okay, now Ian's put. Okay, there it is. So it's on. It looks like it's on the regular channel page, youtube.com/watch, and then it has the little code for the particular broadcast. Okay. And yeah, okay. Alright. Let me see what other category I might have put this in. Could have been entertainment. Let me try the entertainment category here. Yeah, I don't see it in there either. Yeah, I have no clue how that works. Last time I did this, it did show up in the proper category. But okay, well, let me go to my... I'll go to my YouTube channel. Let's see here. How does that work? I think it shows up at the bottom of the thing, as I recall, on the broadcasting live or something like that. Okay, because I have mine set up in categories. My YouTube thing, got the videos. Yeah, it's showing in the live now. Live next from the okay, because it's there. Okay, now I'll go to my Google Plus page. Let's see, the easiest way to go there is G plus go Don Browne. G plus dot go Don Browne. Oh, wait a minute. Did I? Oh, it's 2. It's G plus dot 2 / Don Browne. I always mess that up. I think that's the right number. Yeah. G plus dot 2/Don Browne. Then that should take me to my Google Plus page where all the posts are. And then this live broadcast should show up there, I think. Let's see if it does or not. Yeah, there it is, right at the left side. Live LaBelle, Florida. Okay, so if you can watch on that. Okay, that seems reasonable. And I can't think of any other place it would be. And I don't know if it shows up on all the people I have on the circles or not, because I'm not sure that I sent any kind of a message to anybody. Okay, now let's go back to the control room page. Oh, and it is giving me that little message about recommend use a stream bitrate value of 400. And I haven't tried that, but I think that won't work in my case. This is I'm using 192, which is what I pretty much set it for. And oh, it's had 606 drops. Wow, I wonder what that. Wow, that's strange. It might have been when I was playing around before that it was messing up before I actually started the broadcast. Okay, but it's doing an average of 192 for the video. Okay. Alright. Go back to the control page. And let's see what other messages it left. At 519. Okay, now we'll see if there's any. There's Ian's comment. Ian, type in another comment and let me see if it shows up without me refreshing the page, because that one was made at 1707, which would be that'd be my time actually, and Ian's time would be about 2207, I think. Oh no. Well, okay. Yeah, I got the one you just now put in on the Google Plus, the chat thing. Put one in on the YouTube page, and let me see if that shows up. I think, well, I'm seeing the smiley face thing or the face thing on the Google Plus chat thing. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it shows up. Okay, yeah, it does show up at 17:26 my time. 17:26 and 9 seconds. Yeah, and then all those will show up as comments on the YouTube page. Okay, now I wonder if there's a way for me to send invitations. There was something about that in here. Well, let me think. Where would I do that? Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, okay, that's what I'll do. I'm going to put that link that Ian sent me, and I'll put that in maybe Facebook, just for the heck of it. Although, well, Now, well, let me check Facebook, because I think it automatically sends something to Facebook. Let me check Facebook, because I think it sends a notice to Facebook and Google Plus and Twitter, I think. I think that's how it should work. It's taking a while to load this page here. Okay, come on, Facebook page. Let me see how the lighting is in here. It's getting a little dark. Yeah, it's still okay. Okay, yeah, right there it is. It says, I started a live stream on YouTube, and then it gives the address and a little screenshot. Yeah, okay, that was 20 minutes ago. It says via Twitter. Okay, so 20 minutes ago would have been about 5:10. Okay. Okay, so presumably if you go to that little link, that would take you to the YouTube page. Okay, so it's on the Facebook. Well, I'm going to click that just to see if it